So I had a company reach out to me saying, "Hey, we're a new decant company. We'd love to send you some of our products and have you unbox and let people know about us." I said, "Sure, I'd be happy to." So I got this from Nano Scents. They actually videoed themselves packaging this, so I can't wait to unbox this here. So let's see. I actually have scissors. Let's see if I can do this. Thank you to my sister. She's the one that gave me these scissors. There we go. I gotta say, for this company, Nano Scents, drop the scissors on my leg. It was cool watching them package it, going, "That's my box." Like, I've never seen someone actually package something for me. So that was cool. Yep, that's exactly what it looked like. It's all this packaging here. We got this handwritten note. Oh, that's so awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you so much. Appreciate this. And here we go. Ooh, cannot wait. So what did I get? I got Mancera French Riviera. I got Xerjoff Erba Pura. And I got Mancera's Aoud Vanille. So tell you what, let's do this. I like this packaging a lot. It looks really nice. French Riviera is one I've been wanting to try. Erba Pura and Aoud Vanille. So there you go. There's the samples. I didn't do that. There's the samples. So let's do Erba Pura first. I'm gonna spray it on the inside of this box. I think that would be the best way of doing this. Take the lid off. There we go. So as always, here it is. They put the little sample sticker there. I think that's really cool. Well done. So this is one I've wanted to smell for a while now. Ooh, that is so sweet. It's exactly what I was hoping it would smell like. This is so good. Again, it's beautiful fruits, beautiful sweetness. I can see it's rocking it in the summer. So now if anyone's like, what's a good Xerjoff for the summer? Erba Pura. It's the right level of sweet and fresh together, blended really well. I have a couple fragrances that smell similar to this, so I'm going to do a follow-up video. Again, I'll wear these 3 fragrances, let you know how they work, how long they project, longevity, sillage, all that stuff. But I'm also going to do another video comparing Erba Pura with 2 other fragrances. One is a Latafa from the Al Noble line. So it actually has like antler ears on it. It looks really cool. Kind of looks like a Panheligans. And then the other one is from Al Harmon, and it's Amber Oud Gold Extreme. I have the Extreme version, the Extrait de Parfum. This smells just like that. So everyone says, oh, that fragrance is a Erba Pura inspired fragrance. They're right. Oh, this is so good. I'm loving this. I don't know why Ash doesn't like this. Ash over ginseng, he's like, I don't like Erba Pura. I don't know why. Although I have noticed he's not big in sweet fragrances, and this is very sweet, so that's probably why. Now, I haven't tested it out. Again, performance, maybe performance lets it down. Who knows, but I cannot wait to test this out. Let's do French Riviera. Next, this is one I've been wanting to try for a while. Everyone's saying you should try this out. It's a great summer Mancera, so again, Nano Scents, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. There we go. Put the lid back on. As always, here you go. Check that out. Love it. interesting. It's not what I was expecting to smell. Let me spray it again. I'm wondering if I didn't spray it right. Like, what do you mean didn't spray it right? It just kind of like plopped out. It didn't actually like mist. So, tell you what, let's try it this way. There we go. Oh, it smells so good. It's interesting. It's not what I was expecting. There's actually a Latafa Ajwa, which is similar to Arabian Oud. Oh, I can't remember the name of it, but it's similar to that. This has like a similar DNA to it. I like it. It smells very unique, very different than what I was anticipating. I mean, yeah, I can see like French Riviera. It's not a bad name for this. I like it. Oh, I'll have to wear this one. Figure that one out. And then the final one is Mancera's Aoud Vanille. Another one that people keep asking me about. I'm actually going to spray this one on that paper that he wrote for me. So, let's see if I can get this. There we go. Let's see what it smells like. Wow, that is strong. That is just popping. This, I can see this being a great spring, fall, like when it's still warm out but getting cool. Oh, it smells so good. Again, not what I was expecting. This is not the type of fragrance I thought Aoud Vanille would be. I thought it'd be like a strong vanilla with oud. This is, oh, it's so much more than that. It's like a, it even has a little bit of like a Xerjoff, or not Xerjoff, a coffee break vibe from Mason Margiela. Oh, that smells so good. That vanilla is just popping. I'm loving it. Oh, cannot wait to wear this one. So again, this is from Nano Scents. It's a brand new company. They do fragrance decants. Let's see if I can get that logo for you to see. Very excited to be working with them. Again, appreciate so much. I'll put the link to their company down below so you can see if you want to go check out their samples. They have some great variety, great products. Cannot wait to test these three out and hopefully work with these people in the future. So again, this is Nubs Fragrances. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Can't wait to talk to you in the future.